We introduce to you Ikhayelihle tombstones. Memorials, headstones and tombstones are the perfect and most fitting tribute for your departed loved ones. We will help you choose or design the best headstone, memorial or gravestone for your loved one's last resting place. The following benefits are included in our tombstones. You're provided with free engraving, free transport within 50 kilometers, free installation, free cover of the tombstone for the ceremony, and free decoration at the ceremony, free floral arrangements, free still water, and a free photo DVD of the ceremony. For more information on Ikhayelihle tombstones, contact our helpline on 086 100 0097.